burn rubber. Keep going, Mike.
Yeah, get ahead of him, Mike.
This is filming right into the sun. I hope we can.
Keep ahead of him like you are. That's good.
We have 12 viewers.
That's probably going to be it for now.
Red is definitely recording, right?
Yep.
Alright. Whoops.
A little bit.
Kid's flying. Take the corners a little slower. Don't bounce around too much.
Yeah, you're good right now. How are you?
You can slow it down a little.
Pick it up, Mike. Get a little bit ahead. How are you? Good, so? Good.
Alright, tell him to slow down a
Dad,
little.
slow down.
It's a nice little camera. Here we come on a cheerleader.
Bobby Giuliani from Shelton. And Tim Milenkevich from Ansonia Sec.
Tim's a good runner. St. Joe's High School alumni.
Two Valley guys in the lead.
Good, I hope he wins.
This kid Tim is like a sub 2:45 marathoner, I think. Cold out here.
Course record is 15 minutes and 44 seconds, set by Jeff Reganelowitz in 2003.
You can slow down a little up this hill, Mike.
You let me know when they get close because I can't really see too good.
Yeah.
He really broke it from the rest of the field.
Yeah.
Come on, kid! Come on, baby!
It's a tight race here, fellas.
Bobby Giuliani and Tim Milenkevich. Tim pulling up on him.
Drafting him.
Yeah.
On the way back, you got to be careful for the runners coming at you.
Yeah. Tim's just pulled ahead. You hear the Rocky music playing.
What mile marker are we at? Anybody know?
There was a clock at the 1 mile marker, so it should be coming up.
You gotta hold on to your hands here because I gotta turn around quick.
All right, we're about to hit the water stop.
Get ready, I want to turn around.
Lord
Oh, I lost my shoe.
This is really the
Slow down,
most
slow down.
we've ever had. You're so far ahead.
Yeah, you can slow down a little.
Okay.
A lot of people coming at us.
Yeah.
Hey, Mike.
How you doing, Mike?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Oh, bumpy. The lake is, yeah, it's a tight race. Hands are freezing.
At least your gloves.
Oh, you don't have gloves on? Oh my gosh.
All right, now it's the easiest part of the race for these two guys, downhill.
All downhill.
Hey, Mark.
Tyler ready?
Yep.
I should have got him on
Ready.
film. All right, slow it down a little, Michael, please.
Oh man.
Yeah, that's better. What a beautiful morning for runners. All right, hold on. Keep us, well,
Okay, pick it up, Mike. Pick it up. Pick it up, little Mike. Okay, that's good. That's good.
Here we
way to go, Glenn. Get Glenn.
It's still Tim Milenkevich over Bobby Giuliani, and then the rest of the field is in the dust.
Especially these people. Ow. Can't feel my hands.
I can imagine, hon.
Tim is pulling ahead by just a little bit here. It's opening up the little road. He's got about 20, 30 yards.
Go ahead, go, Timmy.
Okay, pick it up just a little bit because he's picking it
Go,
up.
Tim.
Gotta get out of the way.
Oh, he's cranking.
Yeah.
No.
Jack, where you already left off? At the finish line?
Go down to the bottom and just turn left and we'll get out there.
Okay.
Come on, Tim! Let's go, Tim! Way to go, Timmy! Good run. Good job, man.
Bobby Giuliani came in second place winner. Let's hear it for you guys.
Good job.
We got a finish for 4th and 5th place. Good run, guys. Good run. 17 minutes. And I think I see our first female runners coming down. Let's go, Joe! Good job, Joey!
Nice job, nice job!
Right, right.
Come on, Sandstone!
Good run, 460! Okay, kick it in, you're at 17:45!
Good job. Hey, how you doing? Good. How's your son that just finished, right? Good. Happy Thanksgiving.
How's the family?
Good. Everybody's good. Katie's living in the city, up on the Upper East Side.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, she loves it.
Yeah. I'll let you finish.
Thanks.
I'll talk to you later.
I'm not that steady.
Good job, George. Good job, George.
You're under 18:45 with a good kick!
Good run.
Good run! 18:31!
Okay, James.
18:32!
Good job, James.
Go, Jim. Way to go, Jimmy. Good run, Jim.
Good finish! 18:42! 18:43! 47! Here come the Boudreaux boys! Representing the Cashman family, kicking in for Grandma! Good run!
All right. Good run, fellas.
Finish. Nice finish. Good job.
Hey, we haven't had a female run. We haven't had a female come in yet, have we?
No,
Good finish!
she's coming right now.
All right, good. Tell me when she's coming up, all right? Hey, would you do me a favor? Tell me when that first female runner's coming. Oh, here she is right here. Good job, lady. All right. First female runner.